PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor, is a programming language primarily used for web development. It is server-side scripting language that can be embedded in HTML and used to create dynamic web pages. PHP code is executed on the server, and the resulting HTML is sent to the client's web browser. PHP is widely supported by web hosting services and is commonly used in combination with a MySQL database to create dynamic, data-driven websites. A step-by-step guide of 1 Philippine peso. Install a web server, such as Apache, and PHP on your computer. This will allow you to run PHP scripts locally, without the need for a web host. 2. Create a new text file and save it with a .php file extension. For example, example.php. 3. Open the file in a text editor and add the opening PHP tag, ~PHP. 4. Write some PHP code. For example, you can create a variable, perform some calculations, and print the result. PHP $x equals 10, $y equals 20, $sum equals $x plus $y, echo $sum, greater than. 5. Save the file and run it in your web browser by typing HTTP URL. Assuming you have your web server set up on your local machine. 6. You should see the output of your PHP code in the browser. 7. You can also use PHP to interact with a MySQL database by using the MySQLi or PDO extension. 8. In order to use these extension, you need to connect to the database by providing the credentials, hostname, username, password and database name. 9. Once connected, you can perform various operations like select, insert, update and delete. 10. For more complex application, you can use various frameworks like Laravel, CodeIgniter, Zend, Symfony and Yi. Please note that this is a very basic guide and PHP can be used for much more complex tasks and applications. A few examples of basic PHP code. 1. Printing, hello, world, to the browser. PHP echo, hello, world, greater than. Two. Assigning a variable and printing its value. PHP $name equals, John Doe, echo, my name is. $name, greater than. 4. Using loop. PHP for, $I equals 0, $I less than 5, $I plus plus, echo $I, greater than. 3. Using function. PHP function say hello, $name, return, hello. $name. Echo say hello, John, greater than. Here are a few examples of working with strings in PHP. Concatenating strings. PHP $string1 equals, hello, $string2 equals, world, $greeting equals $string1. $string2, echo $greeting, outputs, hello, world. Greater than. Here are a few examples of working with strings in PHP. Finding the length of a string. PHP $string equals, hello, world, echo $string, outputs 13, greater than. Here are a few examples of working with strings in PHP. Finding a specific character in a string. PHP $string equals, hello, world, echo $string, 7, outputs, W, greater than. Here are a few examples of working with strings in PHP. Replacing a specific part of a string. Less than, PHP $string equals, hello, world, $string equals str_ replace, world, friend, $string, echo $string, outputs, hello, friend. Greater than. Here are a few examples of working with strings in PHP. Converting a string to uppercase or lowercase. Less than, PHP $string equals, hello, world, echo $tupper, $string, outputs, hello, world. Echo $lower, $string, outputs, hello, world. Greater than. Here are a few examples of using functions in PHP. Creating a function to calculate the area of a rectangle. Less than, PHP function rectangle area, $length, $width, return $length * $width. $area equals rectangle area, 5, 10, echo, the area of the rectangle is $area, greater than. Here are a few examples of using functions in PHP. Creating a function that takes an array and returns the average value. Less than, PHP function average value, $arr, return array _sum, $arr, count, $arr, $numbers equals array, 1, 2, 3, 4. $avg, greater than. Here are a few examples of using functions in PHP. Creating a function that takes a string and returns the number of vowels in it. Less than, PHP function count vowels, $str, preg _match _all, au, I, $str, $matches, return count, $matches, 0, $sentence equals. $vowel _count equals count vowels, $sentence, echo, the sentence contains. $vowel _count. Vowels, greater than. Here are a few examples of using functions in PHP. Creating a function that takes a number and returns its factorial. Less than, PHP function factorial, $num, if $num equals 0, return 1, return $num asterisk factorial, $num 1, $result equals factorial, 5. $result, greater than. Here are a few examples of using functions in PHP. Creating a function that takes a string and returns it in reverse order. Less than, PHP function reverse string, $str, return strev, $str, $original equals, hello, world, $reversed equals reverse string, $original, echo. $reversed, greater than. These are just a few examples of using functions in PHP. Functions can be very powerful and can help you to write more organized, reusable and maintainable code. Thank you.